The Victus laptop. 12th generation Core i7 with 10 core, 16 thread. Massive 32 gig of RAM so that you can multitask smoothly. Massive super fast 1TB Samsung 980 SSD, one of the fastest SSD up to date. Intel USD graphic as well as NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti so that you can edit video, play games, do photo editing, music editing. Beautiful crystal clear full HD display with 144Hz refresh rate. Beautiful backlit keyboard with very sensitive and precise trackpad. It is a used unit, so there's some light scratches, small dent, but nothing significant or noticeable. Over here you got Thunderbolt, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet port, more USB-A and headphone jack. And plate have huge air vent. Just beautiful.